In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order author copies on KDP, a KDP tutorial for beginners. This is an essential skill for any self-published author who wants to obtain copies of their own books at a cost-effective price. Now let's dive right into the process so you can get your hands on your very own creations. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your bookshelf on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform. This is where you've likely already been if you've set up your book for publication. But if it's new to you, don't worry. Once you've logged into your KDP account, the bookshelf is straightforward to find. It's usually the first option in the menu once you're logged in. The bookshelf is essentially your command center where you manage all aspects of your book projects. Once you're there, you'll want to scroll through your list of projects and find the particular paperback or hardcover you're interested in ordering copies of. It's key to ensure you select the right format since different sizes and types of your book may be priced differently. Simply scroll through your list until you see the title you're seeking. It's usually best to double-check you're clicking the correct version, especially if you have multiple projects. Next, you'll come across an option titled Order Author Copies. This button is your gateway to getting those precious copies in your hands. Click on it once you've confirmed it matches your desired title and format. This action will navigate you to a page where you can customize your order. Now you'll need to make a couple of decisions regarding your order. First, choose the marketplace that best fits your needs. Depending on your location, you might opt for Amazon.com, Amazon.co.uk, or other regional Amazon marketplaces. Selecting the correct marketplace is crucial to minimize shipping times and potential costs, especially if you're ordering internationally. After that, decide on the quantity of books you'd like to order. Amazon usually allows a certain number of maximum copies per order. Something to keep in mind if you're intending to stock up or need a large number for an event. Remember, ordering author copies means you get them at production cost, which is significantly cheaper than list price. It's a great way to have physical copies on hand for signings, giveaways, or just to admire your hard work. Once you've selected both the marketplace and the quantity, you're all set to add to your cart and proceed with the purchase like any other Amazon order. And there you have it, a very simple process for ordering author copies on KDP. Having a physical copy of your work is an indescribable joy, and now you'll know exactly how to get them whenever you want. Thanks for watching, and happy authoring.